Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you so much for accepting my request.
That's okay. Thank you too. This is the first time I've been on this app.
Yeah, I understand that because you just started this platform very early, and this is really a good fun. Okay, using these tools actually, literally, we people just do this platform to battle, really, like as well as you will win this platform.
Yeah. Ah, that's good. There's a lot of random stuff though on here.
Yeah. So where do you come from?
A lot of random accounts.
Mm-hmm.
UK. You?
Oh, UK, Bangladesh. And do you know Bangladesh?
Ah, nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I know of it. I've never been though.
Oh, so how do you know my country?
Because I've heard of it. I like in geography and things like that.
Oh, the geographically you just heard of it. Okay. You know, what I mean, I'm really so happy, and so my happiness is really going beyond control because you are talking to me from United Kingdom.
Yes.
So,
Far away. Very
yeah.
far.
Yeah, really, it's really completely continental different. Far, far away.
Yeah, it is.
Hmm. So, what do you do
Yeah.
for life?
I work in a hospital for the NHS.
Oh, working in hospital. So you don't have any work today?
No, I booked Halloween off for annual
Oh,
leave.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
How many days you work in a week?
I do 3 12.5 hour shifts. Sometimes I do 4. What about you?
I just do little business here. Just I do help to a real estate business person, and that's it. But it's not doing good actually, so I'm trying to do something by myself. That's it.
Yeah.
You have a boyfriend actually, so may I know the
Yeah.
age of you?
I'm
Yeah.
20. How old are
Whoa,
you?
you are so younger than me. You are so younger than me. I am
How old are
29.
you?
I'm 29.
That's not that bad. My boyfriend's 26,
I'm
so
older than you.
you're older, mate. You're well older.
Yeah. I'm just curious to know something about your lifestyle. Like, I do the PK every day. I like to talk with British, American, Australian, Canadian because they are the native speaker in English. So, oh, sorry. Earlier, I should say you that I'm learning English by using this platform,
Yeah.
actually. So that's why I'm using,
Yeah,
and
that's
it's a really,
good.
yeah, it's really a good platform to talk to the guest. And by the way, I'm learning. So let's come to the point. What I needed to know, you people are really so conscious about the life in the future also. So
What do you mean?
I got so many guests from United Kingdom, America, British, Australia also. But you people just start working at your early ages. Are you still a student or you are only just working?
Do both. So I was a student and I was working, and then I stopped my education and just went into work
Why did you stop?
because I qualified. You stay in education just until you have your degrees and things like that.
Oh yeah, I got it. So some
And
degrees you have just you got the qualified to get the job. That's why you stopped the education.
yeah,
Okay, that's okay.
because we can't.
Hmm.
Because we need to be checked and all things like that as well before we work in any like healthcare places. It's weird.
Yeah, yeah, I got it. So how is the weather today?
Ah, it's rubbish. I don't know how to turn the camera around, but it's rubbish.
Oh, right. That's heavy. Is it
It's
cold?
raining. It's rain. Well, it was raining and it's freezing, and it looks all dark outside.
Oh my goodness. So
What about
sometimes,
for you?
yeah, it's very good weather today. The sky is sunny, not hot, not cold.
Good.
Mhm.
Just so.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a
Okay,
good day.
okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.
Take
Bye.
care. See ya.
Okay.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.